Well, hello there, and welcome to Cooking Characters. For you lot that are just as lazy as I am, today we're making dog biscuits with 3 ingredients. So the first ingredient we're going to use is 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. Take your lid off your food processor. Pour that right down in your food processor. Good on you, lad, not spilling it. Put your lid back on and lock it down. And you're going to want to grind this into a fine powder. You might want to take a break. This part gets a wee bit noisy. And now that we've got this ground down, as you can see, our food processor's not nearly big enough for the rest of the ingredients. So we're also going to need some flour to put out on the counter. So we're going to take a wee bit of this out to use for another purpose. So grab 2 heaping tablespoons of it and store it right there in your glass bowl. And we're ready for the next ingredient. The next thing we're going to add 2 medium ripe bananas. Just put those in your food processor there with the oats. Try not to get them on the counter as I just did. Waste not, want not. That's what I always say. And the next, we got half a cup of peanut butter. Chunky peanut butter. That's what me little feller likes. Chunky peanut butter. And that's what he gets. Set that there. Put your lid on and lock it in place. And now that we got this all ground up, let's take the lid off and let's give it a go. That's looking really good right there. That's exactly what we're needing. All right, so next, you remember that little bit of ground oats that we removed from there? Just sprinkle that on your counter. And the reason for this is you want the healthiest ingredients you can for your wee little ones. My little Shifu loves these right here. And so does his sister Alola. For those of you who don't know, Shifu is half Scotch Terrier and half Shih Tzu. And yes, he's a wee little shite. So next, we want to take the dough out. And we want to just put it right here where our flour is on the counter. You'll see that there's still some peanut butter and some bananas that still haven't been ground up, but that's all right. We're going to use every bit of this. Let's get that away from the blade so we can get those out of there. Now what you want to do is you want to press this down inside these oats. So they're not sticking to the counter. You can turn it over. And you're going to treat this just like you would pie dough, pizza dough, what have you. You form it all the way around and you keep pressing it out. Just keep pressing until it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. Because what we're going to do next, what we've got for you is, and it depends on how thick you want these for your wee doggo. So what we're doing here next, our cookie cutter shaped like a doggy bone. Just shove that right down inside there. Take the rest of that away. And there we have a dog biscuit. Which fell apart a little bit. And then you put this on a tray, on a baking sheet that you line with parchment paper, and just set those right there. Now these are going to go in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for around 25 to 30 minutes. Now when you bake these, they're going to come out. You want to bake them until they're nice and dark. They're going to be nice and dark on the bottom especially. And they may puff up a little bit. and still be somewhat soft and gooey when you take them out of the oven. But once you put them on your cool down rack and you give them a chance to cool down, they'll be ready to go. So we're going to keep doing this for a while. We'll be right back when we're ready to put this in the oven. And now that we've got these all cut up, they're ready to go in the oven at 300 degrees, like I said, for 25 to 30 minutes. As you can see, we've got little dog bones and little hearts, whatever it takes to make the wee little one happy. So we'll be right back when these are done. Well, hello and welcome back, you lot. So these have been cooling down for about 30 minutes now. So if you want a real test of whether or not your puppers is going to like these right here, we're just going to take one. We're going to break off a wee little piece. And I want to introduce all of you to my wee baby Shifu. His registered name is Master Shifu, but we all call him Baby Shifu. Let's see how the little tyke likes him, shall we? There we go, Shifu. Oh, look at that! Oh, he loves him, he does. Well, there you have it, folks. 3 ingredient dog biscuits, right there. I'm telling you, your puppers are going to love it. It's all natural ingredients. Give it a try. Let us know what you think in the comment section. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I will see you next time right here on Cooking Characters. Thank you lot for watching Cooking Characters. Be sure to subscribe, like and comment.